Hi everyone, in today's video you will see how good are Pentax SP20 by 60 and Bresser Special Astro 25 by 70. So these are big binoculars. Pentax is twice as expensive as Bresser, and Pentax is less powerful. It's 20, and Bresser is 25 times magnification. So let's see. The distance you observe is almost 2 kilometers, 1 kilometers and 600 or 700 meters behind black tires. Let's see. The air hitting is just making the image less bright, so it's difficult to say which is better. But in my opinion, Bresser, which magnifies more, is a little bit better. This is Bresser and this is Pentax. The difference isn't big, but I did other observations and I think that I can see a little bit more. I can see the details better in the bigger one, in here. The lens are 70 millimeters of diameter. Here is 60 millimeters of diameters. But so why Pentax is much more expensive? Pentax is waterproof, and Pentax has got a very big eye relief, the distance between eyepieces and your eye. So you don't have to touch binoculars with your eyes. Bresser is cheap, and the most of cheap binoculars don't have this eye relief good enough, but here it's an exception, and that's why I bought it. It's not waterproof, but the eye relief is 17 millimeters. Here is 20 millimeters in Pentax. So it's almost like in Pentax. The field of view is the same, almost the same in both. The difference is very little. So you can buy, if the magnification is really something the most important for you, I would say that you should go for Bresser Special Astro, but you must pay attention, because you must test these binoculars. Not all samples have got good collimation. Pentax was the first model, the first sample I bought, and it was well collimated. Bresser is not waterproof. Bresser, this model has got a really good eye relief. The focus knob is not so smooth like in Pentax. The rubber armoring is not so thick like in Pentax, so Pentax is more solid. Bresser, its eyepiece can move a little bit, like in other cheap binoculars. Here the eyepiece don't move. The construction is different. you don't have this part which is not very solid. Here you don't have it. So Pentax perhaps is less powerful. I would say that I'm sure that it's less powerful. It's 20 and you can see it. It's not a big difference, but a little bit less powerful. Bresser is more powerful, but it's not waterproof. It's not so solid. The brightness is the same. Pentax this model has got very good coatings, so it's bright. This model, I suppose that it doesn't have so good coatings, but it's bigger. So I think, according to my observation, the brightness is similar. The sharpness is similar too. Perhaps Pentax is a little bit more sharp. You will have such an impression because it's always like that if you magnify less, the image is more sharp. So perhaps it's due to the magnification, the power which is not so big. I don't know, but even if we admit that Bresser is not so sharp, the difference is not big, and the fact that Bresser is more powerful makes the details to be seen more easily, in my opinion. You can see a little bit more through these binoculars, but they are not so solid, they are not so waterproof, and the focus knob is not so smooth. And I suppose you don't have so much warranty, or perhaps it's the same, but it's just I don't know. It's for you to make a decision. The last time, Pentax. Bresser. Now it's better in the center. Thank you.